In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero invoice settings and templates. If you want your invoices to look professional, match your brand, and clearly communicate charges and payment details, customizing your invoice theme in Xero is the way to go. I'll walk you through the exact path in Xero and share practical tips as we go, so you know what each choice affects. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the screen, click your company name to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This is your control center for organization level preferences, and it's where invoice options live. On the Settings page, select Invoice Settings. Think of this area as home base for how your invoices appear and behave. Everything from branding to the fields your customers see. Inside Invoice Settings, look for the Options menu and click it. This reveals the tools that let you fine-tune how your invoices look beyond the standard defaults. Next, choose Preview and Edit Invoice Theme. This opens the editor with a live preview, so you can see every change before it goes to a customer. Take a moment to scan the preview pane. You'll use it to check layout, spacing, and how your logo and text sit on the page. Now edit the theme to suit your brand and clarity needs. Upload a clean, high-resolution logo so it prints crisply. Adjust colors to match your brand palette, keeping contrast high for readability. Update your business details, address, registration numbers, and contact methods so they're accurate and easy to find. In the line item section, decide which columns your customers truly need, like description, quantity, unit price, tax, and totals. Hiding unnecessary columns can make invoices easier to read. Add or refine any standard notes such as payment terms, bank details, or late fee policies. Clear terms reduce questions and help you get paid faster. Check fonts and sizes to ensure they're legible on both screens and printed copies. If you invoice international clients, confirm date, currency, and tax display formats make sense for your audience. Finally, verify margins and page size so nothing is cut off when printing or saving to PDF. Keep an eye on the preview as you tweak. Aim for a layout that looks balanced and professional. When you're happy, click Save Theme. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you use different templates for different services or regions. That's it. Your customized theme is now ready to use the next time you create an invoice, helping you present a consistent, trustworthy brand every time.